Good morning, vlog. I just woke up, so I'm a bit groggy. Pretty soon I'm gonna get up and get ready to go do my adult thing today. So, yeah. Poopy.
Hey, cat! Why are you so cute? I can never figure out why you're so cute. Fart?
Look at the little duckies. Look at the little duckies. There we go. The duckies. Little quack quacks. Quack, 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 quack.
Just made it home. Yay! Hoofda. It was a good day. I liked it. And I'm gonna have a good night. And then tomorrow I'm gonna have an even better day. I'm gonna go out to Valley Fair with my sister and have fun. So yeah. Yeah.
This cat's so weird. She was literally just spider climbing the whole couch and hopping up and down, up and down. You're so silly. Why are you so intrigued by my dice? Oh, itchy. Does Daddy need an itchy for you? Daddy needs an itchy for you? Oh yeah, it feels good, doesn't it? Is that all better? All better? Oh, kitty, bum 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 bum. Oh, farty, bum 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 bum.
Poopy kitty. She's ignoring me right now. I can see her ears twitching. She can definitely hear me. I don't know what that was. What the hell was that? The light just came on. Oh, I see. I can hit the flash button over here. I think. At least that's what it was. There it is. Yeah, there's a flash for my camera. Just spend a whole minute filming my cat. Kitty, dan, kitty, bum, 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 bum. Well, today was a good day. I'm going to end the video here. Tomorrow is going to be a Valley Fair day, and I'm super excited about it. I haven't been to Valley Fair in a couple years, or a few years, something like that. Maybe 3-4 years. I don't know. But I'm going with my sister, so I don't know how much content I'll get. I was hanging out with somebody today, super sweet, like park date thingy. I wouldn't necessarily call it a date, but it was nice. I liked it. Made me smile. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys next time.